Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play World of Warcraft on Mac. First, ensure your Mac meets the game's minimum system requirements. You will need at least 4 GB of RAM and a solid-state drive for faster loading. A stable internet connection with at least 5 megabits per second download speed is also essential. Make sure your operating system is updated to the latest version for the best experience. These steps will help ensure a smooth and enjoyable gaming session. Once your system is ready, the next step is installation. Head to the official Blizzard website and download the Battle.net desktop application. After installing it, log in with your existing Blizzard account or create a new one. From the application, select World of Warcraft from the list of games. Click Install and follow the simple on-screen instructions to get the game set up on your Mac. The download size is typically over 100 gigabytes. To get the best performance, you will want to optimize your game settings. Start by adjusting the in-game graphics options. Lowering settings like shadow quality or view distance can significantly improve frame rates. Playing at a slightly lower resolution, such as 1920 by 1080 pixels, often provides a smoother experience. Also, close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up valuable system resources for the game. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, there are simple troubleshooting steps. A quick restart of your Mac and internet router can often resolve connectivity or performance glitches. If problems persist, use the scan and repair option within the Battle.net application to verify game files. For persistent or unique issues, Blizzard's official support forums are an excellent resource. For the most stable connection, consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.